These are Renaissance pictures, They've elevated the entity that voluntarily accepts the necessity of suffering and death, that's represented by Christ, to the highest position in the heavenly hierarchy. What that idea means is that what should constitute the transcendent value that sits above all other values is your capacity to voluntarily accept the restricted and painful conditions of your life, to face them, and as a consequence of facing them, immediately transcend them. Now, one of the things we know from clinical psychology is that if you have someone who's afraid, they avoid. So what do you do about that? You break down the thing they're afraid of till you find a small unit that they can approach. When they approach it, they learn that they can approach it, and that they're more than they thought they were. And then they can approach the next thing, and then the next thing. And so you take a woman who's got agoraphobia, who can't get in an elevator, and a week later she can, and then she goes home and has the fight with her husband that she should have had 20 years ago. And the reason for that is that when she's exposed to the things that she's afraid of, instead of running from them, she learns that she's the thing that can be exposed to things she's afraid of. She doesn't learn that things aren't frightening. And learning that she's the thing that can be exposed to things that are frightening makes her more than the frightening things. And it's certainly possible that we're more than the things that frighten us. If we weren't, we wouldn't be here.